Hello and welcome to another update video about Link. Yeah, complete sideways consolidation here over the weekend. Bitcoin is going up today a little bit. Actually, it was a very choppy day. Some coins are looking quite good, like for example Rune, which I only cover in our gold membership. But Link is, yeah, pretty much unchanged. It's still holding above support, so it's not particularly looking bad or anything here in the short term. And it really only makes sense to look at the short term here in this video because nothing happened when we look at the bigger picture, right? So this is literally just short-term, a short-term perspective, short-term price action only here. But as I said, we're holding above the support areas that we defined in previous videos. I'm labeling this still as a potential 1-2 setup with an A, B, and a possible C wave to come. That C wave has not clearly started. This is all part of a larger diagonal pattern. This could change if we break below $9.66. That's the 78.6 retracement here of the last rally. And that's the upper support area, lower boundary line. So any break below it means I will have to revise the chart. But it would just mean that we're falling into a larger wave 2 support. Okay, so when we break below 9.66, the perspective would be that a larger wave 2 is unfolding. All that means is that we could test the area between $9.51 and $8.56, with $8.56 really as absolute crucial key support. I'm not adding any micro count here because it wouldn't really be helpful. It's completely messy, this microstructure. Of course, I could, I don't want to say make something up. There is, of course, a structure, but it will likely change. I think more important than the absolute microstructure is here really to understand if the bulls turn up before the 8.56 level breaks, because anything between the breakout point to the upside, which is 10.85, and the 8.56 level, it's literally just noise. It doesn't have an impact on the bigger picture. Significant price movements that really are meaningful really need, well, for, let's say, to consider something more meaningful price structure or meaningful price action that is, meaningful, we need a break above 10.85 or a break below 8.56, because below 8.56, we get some clarity. The market clarifies that one more low should happen, possibly targeting here the next support of the larger cycle at 690, but a break above 10.85 would basically unlock the price, a rally into the price region of 1335 plus. But anything in between is literally just meaningless noise. Yeah, then we discuss, okay, if it's just a wave B of 3 or is it a larger wave 2, but that doesn't really have an impact on the bigger picture. Okay, it's pretty meaningless. It's not so helpful to really waste brain cells on that, I think, because we can't predict it anyway. It's the market will decide. I think at the moment both wave counts have a chance, and one more low still likely as long as we stay below 10.85. Important is to understand that a break above 10.85 will make the yellow count more probable, the white wave count less probable. Already now, I would say, at least the way the microstructure looks at the moment, yellow looks, so generally more upside, looks a bit more likely at the moment, because the decline from that last high that formed here on the 8th of August, that decline is just simply corrective. And it's just overlapping, and it just indicates that further upside continuation at least is likely. So support levels are clear, breakout point as well, and until we get that significant movement, there isn't much to report on. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit a like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.